I am so excited to be in your presence. I am the ebook author of You Are Wealthy. Sometimes we're so preoccupied with life, we have to take time to speak to our audience and share how amazing you are. And not just because I'm feeling good today, but I want you to feel good every day. The ebook called You Are Wealthy is something that took me 6 years to put together because there was an amazing woman that actually had shared with me the gift of specific words, specific numbers, and codes where you can protect yourself, you can attract good things to you. Also, how can I say, you can meditate in a different way. There are many of us that have learned so many different techniques to help ourselves to move forward. And I'm one of those Generation Xers that is a mom and a businesswoman. And I always want to do better, be better, and I want to give better. So when you think about putting your life in divine order, and I'm talking to those who need that extra elevated support, where you have the power through your mind, through your words, through your thoughts, and saying and writing different words that are extremely powerful and positive, and you can change the condition in less than 24 hours. Seriously, you have the power to block negativity with specific words tied into this You Are Wealthy ebook. And I go deep into what a Grabavoy code is. It's just basically numbers. Figure your driver's license, your global entry, your identification number, your bill, everything is tied into numbers. So I have a specific chapter that talks about what to do, what to write, what to say. So definitely take the time to download You Are Wealthy at the Stand Store. I'm really excited about this particular digital book that I decided to put together, because sometimes people want to just hold things for themselves and then just elevate and go, oh, I did it for me, good luck to you. And I was like, no, I want people to know this. I will share, as far as You Are Wealthy, this ebook is worth $10 billion. Seriously, a billion. For all you people that want to just, be curious enough to go to the Stand Store and download the ebook, you will see what I'm talking about. Seriously. So anyway, happy holiday season. This is Lela. I am the ebook author of You Are Wealthy. And know you're powerful, you're wealthy, you're successful, and whatever you need, big, small, you can manifest it. Have a great day.